Good morning class. In this video we will cover physical division or the physiography of India. Now when we say physiography of India, it simply means the geographical territory of India that includes the mountains, rivers, forests and etc. So let's have a brief discussion about the five major physical features found in India. Those are the Himalayas, the North Indian plains, peninsula, the coastal plain and the island groups as you can see here. First, we will begin with the Himalayas. Now class, Himalaya is so vast and huge that it is sometimes called as a roof of the world. And from exam point of view, remember that Himalaya is a fold mountain. You might have studied this in your school that when a force or a pressure is applied from the two sides, the land which comes in between those pressure elevates and hence it gives rise to a fold mountain or fold land. We also need to be aware of the fact that Himalaya is not a single range of mountain as in case of western or eastern Ghats. Rather, it is a multiple range of mountains. As we can see over here, the multiple range of Himalayas known as the Greater Himalayas, the Lesser Himalayas and the Shivalik. Now the Greater Himalaya is home to some of the highest peak in this world known as the Mount Everest and the Kanchenjunga, which is found in Sikkim, whereas the Shivalik is the lowest elevated and the youngest mountain range among the Himalayan belt. Now let's have a look over the extent of Himalaya. Himalaya originates from a place called a Pamir Knot. It is located in Tajikistan. And where is Tajikistan? Tajikistan is basically a Central Asian country. And this Himalaya, which originates from the Pamir Knot, it stretches up to the state of Arunachal Pradesh, which is in India. Now in India, the northern states like the Jammu and Kashmir, Union Territory like Ladakh, and then we have states like Himachal Pradesh right below the Jammu and Kashmir, then we have Uttarakhand, then the state of Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh, and countries like Nepal and Bhutan are completely occupied by the Himalayan belts. Now I hope class you get a crystal idea about the physical extent of Himalaya. Now let's move to the another feature, that is the North Indian plain. In the below map, as you can see, that it is also called as Indo-Gangetic plain. Now why Indo-Gangetic plain? It is because the North Indian plain is drained by two major river system of India, and they are Ganga and its tributaries like Yamuna, Kosi and etc., which are flowing towards the east, and then on the other hand we have Indus and its tributaries such as Satluj, Beas and Ravi, which are flowing towards the west of India. So now you might have got an idea that why it is called as Indo-Gangetic plain. The North Indian plain is located right below the Himalayan belt with the average height of 200 meters from the sea level. And in the above North Indian plain, as you can see, the North Indian plain exactly starts from the westernmost part of Rajasthan, and then it later covers the Punjab, Haryana, then states such as Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and also Assam. Now let's move to the another feature, that is the Indian peninsula. First let's understand the definition of peninsula. Class, peninsula means a land which is covered by water on its three sides. So in case of India, as you can see, the southern part of India, that is from the state of Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh till Kerala and Tamil Nadu, this portion of land is covered by water on its three sides, such as Arabian Sea on its west, then we have Indian Ocean on the southern part, and then later we have Bay of Bengal on its east. So hence this southern portion of India fits in our definition of peninsula. So we call it as a Indian peninsula. And class, India is blessed to have a direct access to a vast ocean. And this takes us to our next topic, that is the coastal plain. India's coastal area extends from the state of Gujarat in the west, that is in Arabian Sea, and it stretches up to the state of West Bengal. And these coastal areas are named differently. I mean, they are called by different names locally in their respective premises. And now the last but not the least, we have two major island groups. One is called as Lakshadweep, a group of 36 small coral islands near the coast of Kerala in Arabian Sea, and the another is the Andaman and Nicobar. It is a group of 576 volcanic islands located in the Bay of Bengal. One interesting fact about the Andaman and Nicobar island is that the only active volcano of India, known as the Barren Island, is located in Andaman and Nicobar. And I hope class you have got a clear overview of India's physical division. Thank you for watching.